Thank you for joining us. Again, this is Connor Furmender. I'm going to go ahead and take everyone through now the student registration / login. It can either be accessed here right on the immediate landing page when you get to fieldr.app, or in this nice big green button on the top right header where you see login / sign up. So we'll go ahead and we'll navigate this way just to get over to student. It'll immediately take you to your login or registration page. If you're a first-time user, you're going to plug in your first name, last name, the school email. Now, to be very specific, in our college portal, you are restricted to your .edu school address. However, if you are using one of our high school portals, then you're going to be using your domain for your specific county, for your specific district. And then, of course, go ahead and fill your password in. We highly recommend them being above 12 characters. Major, if this is the college portal, as you'll see, of course, we have all majors available that you can go ahead and select. If your major, your degree is not there, please do email us. Let us know. We'll make sure we get it added. If you're accessing the high school portal, you will not be seeing this major selection right here. So if you're looking at the high school portal, don't worry, don't freak out. You're just not going to be having this major selection, as this is just for the college portal. Under school, we have our Florida colleges and universities that this platform is available to for the college portal. If you are on the district, the high school portal, you'll see the drop down for all of your high schools that are available within your county, within your district. So it'll be per district. You're in school, this is the same for both high school and college portals. Whether you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior, go ahead and fill that out. That will end up helping employers who are looking for potential candidates, recruits. Will help them pinpoint your different year in school to help them make that recruitment process easier. We went through the terms of service and privacy policy in the very first video. So again, before you register, please do read those. We have you read and agree before you can even register. So once you've got all of this filled out, you'll go ahead and hit submit. Now, for our sake, just to get through it, we will just go ahead and log in under mine because I'm already registered. And this would be there we go. We'll update that. Unknown. Oh, I see what went wrong. There we go. Okay. Update that password. Perfect. Now it'll immediately take you to your account. Don't have any about me yet just because you haven't filled it out yet. And then it will just leave it out here. So that is how you get registered. That's how you log in. In our next video, we will go ahead and we'll go through filling out the actual profile now, because of course it's empty. So we got to get a profile filled out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for students getting yourselves registered. In the next one, again, we will go ahead and now fill out your profile.